Hello people, and for this round, we'll be showing you how to use an account manager for Roblox. And what an account manager does is actually so you can have alternate accounts and quick access to launching Roblox direct to the experience. So the first thing we have to do is go to a browser and type in Roblox Account Manager. And the first thing you're going to see is a GitHub link that has it. See this here? Let's just go to that, and once we're here, just click on download. And now it did happen to me, but if you do get a notification after it's downloading that it's potentially a harmful file, that is a false positive. Now once it's on the downloads folder, let's just go, and it's a zip file, so we have to extract it. Now you may have WinRAR, and in my case I have 7-zip, and just extract to Roblox Account Manager and it will create a folder here. Now let's get into the folder. Now the first time you open this, it will ask you if it's a default install or use a password recommended. The one in the recommended is what you should click on, and then once you set up your password, just click continue. Now I have an account here because I've already added an account which you just sign in, but the purpose is so you can add as many accounts as you want, maybe for a friend or maybe your own alt account. As you can see in the place ID, we have Frontlines. That's because I copied it from over here. Now, for example, let's go here in the tower defense. You see this number here on the URL, just copy that, just Control C and Control V later, otherwise just copy and go back and see, just copy it here on the place ID. There you go, tower defense. And once you press join server, it will automatically launch. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in a comment down below. And if this video helped, you can always like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.